No.
Got the other bit of your till. Bloody heavy.
That's a lamppost.
It is, isn't it?
Yep.
Handle.
You've got a handle on it. I've got my magnet on this. That's a different till drawer. It's not the same one, that's a lot smaller.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Another till drawer, bit of angle on.
I'm stepping it up again. I've got a handle on it. Now I'm going to put some light on it.
That is part of an old lamppost. That's kind of cool, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's lamppost because it's a short bar on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bit of bar with a shop display stand. Stabby with the pointy.
Yeah. Sorry, after stabby. Sunday roast, that.
Forky, stabby. Look. Just shoot to have a big, it's a JML knife.
Yeah. If somebody's lost their mobile phone, I wonder if they use this little tag to secure it with.
Bit of pipe. Bit of pipe. Some of that wooden chain again. Yeah.
That was from opposite.
Bit of plate. A small wooden chain with metal pins in it. Right, Gaynon's got himself a big bit of bar with a pair of trousers hanging off the end of it. Good find. Chuck it down there, mate. Got another one?
No.
There we go, look, he's got another massive bar. Big bit of rebar this time. I've got a handle.
Bigger than mine.
Got yourself some transport, Ben?
Yeah, but
Something about you and no wheels, isn't it? Like last night's video. Oh, what happens when you try further out with the 80? I've got another one in pokers. Like the other one I found. Look, in God Manchester.
Oh, yeah.
I've got another one in file pokers. Well, actually, no, this one's got a tip on it. Let that dry and I'll give it a bash. A bracket. Bit of fence bar. Another bracket. Well, that for an old buckle. Old buckle. A lump. Dickhead. Yeah, it's all down there, mate.
Kango?
No, scooter seat. Old kid scooter.
Oh. Where are you going? Hello, where are you? Oh.
There you go. That's off an old kid's trike. The old seat.
Oh, are you?
There we go, that's a very weird looking key type thing.
Done along there.
A stabby that's brokey.
See you now then. We're about 20 from there.
A fixing eye.
Where they stood.
Square nail.
Right on that corner.
Bit of bar. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm going to have to get my 80 out, aren't I?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. That's a bit of a collection.
I've got the remains of a bike, and that proper is the remain. And that weird thing. With a crank handle on it. 4 little legs. And it's got
It's a wind up tool.
an old wheel
Okay. On your back. Well, it doesn't touch, does it?
and a hook and a bit of bar.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bring the big boys, please.
bit of bar. Twisted ring. Bit of bar. And a tiny little metal wheel. Bit of bar. And a really old iron. Proper old school that is. Weighs a ton. Part of a dredge tie, a bar, and probably some forks off a bike or something. There we go, got some Stilsons, not in bad nick, and another wheel. The conduit. Bit of tube, bent pipe, barrel strapping. Strange thread on a plate. Believe it or not, that's an old hinge. Still got the box, bit of box on there. Bit of pipe, bit of scaffold tube. Bit more guttering. And that weird thing. Just a nail, it's a very weird one. Another old wheel. An old padlock. Square one, it's different. Got a caster wheel. Bit of rod. Bit more rod. No Jane or Freddy though. A lump of stones and rubbish. A conduit clamp. Yeah. Oh. Now that is really cool. Now that's some sort of hang up, whether or not it's for a lamp, it could be a sign, couldn't it?
Yeah.
But It's quite decorative. You see, it would have bolted onto a post there. But that's what they call a proper hanger.
No, it's not.
What make was it? Chopper. Oh, it's a chopper. Oh, cool.
Centre of a bike wheel. It's not too gear, but there's
A vape.
you can see the flavour. It's that been in there that long.
And he was a chopper.
That's going in there.
Loads of random bars. Flat bit of plate. Angle on. Meat skewer.
17.
And a couple of randoms.
Because of the drinking.
Medley's a funny one. Medley on tap is alright. In town it's weird. I don't like it. I bought a 10 pack and I couldn't think of it. That's why.
That's a big ball joint splitter, isn't it?
Ben just pushed me.
Stood on your magnet, you don't.
There's got to be some kind of press, like hit that,
Yeah.
hold that. I bet there's writing on that somewhere.
One of them. Don't know what it is, but it's one of them.
Oh, okay.
He was supposed to email me yesterday with photos.
It's an old stow isn't it?
Door. And it's got writing on it.
Stove door, isn't it? Canal barge stove?
The last one was. That was over there. Wasn't it?
Now the one in St Ives. There we go. Got an old stove door. There's some writing on it. It's pretty naff though. Says something on there, don't know. Might tap it when it dries off a bit. I've tapped it, I've broke it. Bit of angle on. And I got my knob out as well.
Again?
Yeah.
Getting a bit of a habit.
It's very dirty as well. I've got another one of them. I don't know what it is, but I've got another one. I've got another pram wheel. Oh, I've got that random thing. I ain't got a clue what that is. Got a pole.
What is it? What was it called? Northants magnet fishing. Yeah. So what?
Oh, spade there, mate.
With a coal shovel. It's a sword.
Or poker for the fire.
Just to ruin it, doesn't he? And all just going around his neck. And some random bits.
You lot make me wet myself, I'll tell you.
Another one of those funny nails, and apparently he's just wet himself. He don't get out much, honestly. Ben
Not
usually,
let out much, it's different.
yeah. Ben usually brings him out once every 3 months. Believe me, that's enough.
It's on day release.
We ain't found a bin yet, but I can see it coming. I got an embosser.
Ooh. That looks like a very MOT effect, doesn't it?
Yeah. So I've got an embossing tool, which I can't blooming turn around. Embossing tool, possibly an MOT one. We'll let it dry out, and you know what we're going to do? We're going to whack it.
I love when you pull those bangs.
I've got a boomerang. Watch this. Right, see if it comes back. You ready? Oh, I dropped it, but it came back. Came back with a load of nails. I've got a knife.
Stabby, stabby.
Look at that. I've got a pen knife. Stabby, stabby. Blood poisoning, rusty, rusty. I just popped when I flipping pulled that. I've got a one of them. I don't know what it is, but it did pop. Hole appeared in it. It sucked in air. There's got to be one interesting thing in it. Another pole. Another one of these weird nails that I keep finding. Got a bracket as well. So you got a handle?
I have got a handle. You just filled your empty bucket up. I got
A twisty key thingy, what's it thingy?
bent.
Ooh. What you got now?
I got myself a spark plug.
Are you excited?
Of course I am.
It's got a foot or something. And Aaron found this, it's got little levers on it. It looks like a carburettor, but it's quite weighty, so I'm not sure. Oh. Pipey thingy, what's it thingy?
A multi-threaded thingy, what's it?
The bar remains of a fork. It's got a lot of prongs on it, that has. Probably a hay fork. Oh. Remains of a fork. Some sort of hooky thing. Remains of a shopping trolley handle with the coin mechanism on.
Part of a D-lock. Part of half a D-lock. Decorative key.
Ooh, and I've got a fork. Oh. Huh? Yeah, it's heavy.
You've gone under. A bit more. It's right, man, I'll help him.
Oh no.
You're lucky.
No.
Got a couple of these out over there, didn't we?
Yeah. Oh, it's... I've got a bike. There you go. One of them ones. And you got something as well, didn't you?
Yeah, hold on, I'll put the camera back up.
I know what it is.
Go on.
It's a Lego hand.
Big Lego around here.
Lego. Mudguard. Garden shears. Bungee end. Remains of a coal shovel. And a rod rest. Pair of handlebars. That's a funny looking tap ring. I've seen one like that before with all bubbles on it. And a bit of bar. What you got, mate?
The bike chain. Following on the bike thing, we've got, excuse me, a pair of handlebars. More of the bike, wheel.
Wheelie, good.
And a, big
And a
round-
flange.
and flange. Boom.
Oh, that's part of a belt buckle or something.
Not buckles today.
Got the bars. I've got a barrel rim and one or two nails and a few 2Ps. We got more handlebars.
More handlebars. And another wheel. Bike parts around here.
Oh, I've got a boot scraper. Yeah. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
I've got a boot scraper. It's all gone down my arm. And it's still got the stone on it as well. That is proper awesome, that is. A complete boot scraper. I don't think I've ever found a complete one before.
I've never seen one of those.
That is really cool.
That was a concrete smashing off it.
There we go. That's brilliant. Oh. Look at that lot. Oh my God.
Got a 2P on the top.
Yeah. Oh, on top of me, old key. Old key in there. Ammo crate handle. He's got the first boat plaque of the day.
1930.
8, we
something.
believe.
8, yeah, probably an 8. Bit of a shame that it's deteriorated.
It's not in bad nick apart from that, is it? Triangular file. Bit of window frame, a wheel, a hoop. And a handly thing. Hey?
I'm sure. Not now, is it?
It's an arrowhead.
Arrowhead.
That's an arrowhead.
Is it?
Yeah. He's got an arrowhead.
Is that a good one? Yeah. Oh, good. I can't get a gun.
That is off an arrow.
Yeah. Well, I thought it was. Yeah.
That's a tip off an arrow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
You want to show it on video?
If you no, you can. Yeah.
Get on the video, boy.
Yeah.
100%. That is an arrowhead.
Right. Yeah.
Cool.
I'm happy. What there?
What you got, Christian?
I believe Nigel's just told me I found an arrowhead.
Let me run it in so we can have a proper look at it.
Yeah. I believe that's an arrowhead.
Hang on.
Well, Nigel's told me it's an arrowhead.
I'm
I believe in Nigel.
99% sure that is an arrow tip.
That's a cool find.
That is a cool find. Hang on, let's go down a bit so we've not got the light on it. There, you can see it properly then. Oop, no you can't, I've dropped it. It's really awkward
sharp
around here because of the light.
It's sharp. Careful.
But there we go, look.
Wow.
That is an arrowhead. That is a really cool find. Well done, mate.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, this is just ridiculous now. Look at that lot. Managed for frying pan. Centre of a bike wheel. I've got an exhaust now. Bit of bar. Another bike rim. It's the bit. Gears, sprockets, whatever you want to call them.
I've got
The stand.
bike stand, brakes, and a cup padlock.
Handlebar boy, do you want these?
It's another one of them things. One of them. Can't remember what it is, but it's one of them. Hey? Something to do with shoes? I don't know. I've got another one of those. And I've got a couple of nails as well. Oh my God. Bit of bar, a speaker, a bracket. Oh. Yeah, 4 o'clock ish. And as you can see, I've got money stuck in here. And the reason is because there's the bag it was in. Loads of money. What a mess. Bit of a sulker rack, I think. And yeah, loads more money. It's a weird rod rest. Oh. It's very much like a Jew's harp
That's what I'd have said.
with a twanger in it.
Yeah.
What you got, mate?
I think I've got a Jew's harp. And hopefully my luck is about to change.
And that's as old as my key.
Who's got an horseshoe and a key? Are we all finding the same things all of a sudden?
I've got a horseshoe and a key.
You ain't got one of these, are you?
You ain't got all that lot, have you?
I think I have actually.
I've got a
Thrown loads away.
decorative fence topper. It's got one of its leaves missing. Bit of bar. What you got now?
More bike parts.
What you got?
A wheel.
You keep covering my bucket with your rubbish.
Another set of handlebars. And a dyno. Dynamo.
And move your wheel, and ain't you blocking me nail hole?
I'll take this.
Took off, defaced.
They did have a big plastic
Screen over it.
Screen
Yeah.
over it when we were there.
I've got a nookie thing with an eyelet on it. So,
Only fools, isn't it?
got a nail, yeah. I've got a wiggly thing. I've got a big chunky square nail. I'll quack him up. Right, there we go, got an old penknife. It's a proper old one. It's my turn for an horseshoe as well. Bit of pipe. Triangular peg. Barrel strapping. Okay. No, that's a big key. Big old chunky key. Bit of a bite lock. Let's bit off a padlock. I've got a hook with a bit of wood on it, an old shelf bracket, and these, found loads of these in the past as well. Same again, don't have a clue what they are, so if anybody knows, let us know. You've got the hole there, you've got a slot just there, the bottom one is hollow but the top one's not. Centre of a bike wheel, bit of bar, oh, and a couple of nails. Junior axle, that's gonna have small blades, isn't it?
So we've finally got AJ's magnet back, and on the end was paint roller
Yeah.
and some isolators.
So it was an isolated incident. It's freezing.
I've got a pole. Pole. A rim, part of a boat hook, and the obligatory nails. Got a crutch and a battery. Oh, I don't know, but don't drop it on your foot. Oh. Hey? Oh. Yeah, don't drop that on your foot, that really hurts. You got yourself a bite, mate. You have to lift it up now.
That is the longest pole I've ever got.
And he's got a bike.
Come on, mate.
What you got then?
Big disc, solid, heavy, axe head, door lock, spanner. What's that called? Hobnail.
Boot shoe.
Boot shoe.
First one today.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. We've got a chaff can
Chav can.
and an hook.
Hook, right. I'm a bike.
I got that getting Ben's magnet back. Did you mention that to everyone?
No, Ben has this habit of not attaching his magnet and he throws it right out and then he loses it. So Aaron threw out to find it and ended up getting a bike. And Christian's stuck on the side again.
Oh, he did get a walk though.
Yeah. Thank you, Aaron, for rescuing me again. I think that's a walk.
Yeah.
Another bike wheel. Another bike wheel. It's all bikes around here.
What you got, mate? Hold it up to the camera.
Oh, what a bit of a bike.
He's got a bike frame.
Bit of a bike. Not sure if it's invalid.
Step. Oh. Bit of plate. Lid off teapot. A hinge. A wheel. It's like a weird hinge as well. And a ring spanner. Table legs, a pole, some handlebars.
The back of a bike rack.
That's a stand.
Oh, okay. I thought that was an axe.
Yeah,
Looks like one.
it does, yeah.
Bolt on. Bell D-lock.
A skinny one.
A locking pin.
I thought it was front door key.
It's a really aggressive knuckle duster. I got one of them.
Cable
Chain.
adjusters. Tensioner things.
Yeah. I've got a shutter on her. I've got a knife handle. I've got an awful lot of random rubbish.
Yeah, I'll put the camera down there. Look, there we
So
go.
I've got some scissors.
Oh,
I've got another locking mechanism.
oh yes.
I don't know what, that's just a square hole, so it's not a key. So.
Ugh.
And then it was just an awful lot of
Random bits and bobs.
poles, tubes. Oh, there's that as well. One of them old
Oh,
hand drills.
hand drill, yeah. You got a bag. And he's got manky fish. What you got, Ben?
Poles, poles, more poles.
Christian got that, which is part of a motor, I believe. Oh. Right, there ends another day on the Thames. How's hard work, them nails. My hands are killing me. So many nails. Ben's down there. He's quite short, so we're all right. Anyway, but I'm happy with my boot scraper, to be honest with you. Couple of keys, boot scraper. I'm sort of happy with that. He done all right with his arrow tip as well. What did you get, Ben?
I had the boat plaque.
He had the boat plaque, yeah. What do you have, Aaron?
My Jews up.
He's Jews up. So in all fairness, we've all had
In the first
a thing.
video, I had me bit of cutthroat on my first throw, and I thought the day was going to be good.
Yeah, but it's been a random day, but this place is really hard with that amount of nails. I mean, it really does hurt your hands. I even changed down to the smaller magnet and it still hurts your hands, but we got there. The sun's shining. Good to see the kingfishers. If you haven't subscribed to them, head over to their channel and have a look, because Claire does a good burger if you go out with them.
She
The
does.
sausages are banging.
Boom, boom.
But anyway, thank you all for joining. We'll catch you on the next one. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do and hit that thumbs up. See you later.
Bye-bye.